Hello, Assalamu alaikum, Dr. Sanaullah. How are you?
Ji, thank you, Sean.
So, will you like to introduce briefly about yourself and also how was your experience with the APPNA Family Alliance lecture on the parenting and the leadership today?
Ji, my name is Dr. Sanaullah and I'm current board of director for APPNA. Today's lecture, I thoroughly enjoyed it. I think it covered the different aspect of leadership, the basics of leadership, and then the second part was the parenting. And I really loved it. To be honest, a lot of time you think you are doing the best parenting, and that is probably a continuous learning. So I will say कि बहुत सारी चीज़ें मैंने खुद लर्न की है कि how I can be a better parent, and definitely I will go and try to help my kids. So I think that was amazing, and I think we need to have more these kind of session in APPNA.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, Nishant.